To our beloved guest speaker, beloved parents, teachers, classmates, schoolmates, and visitors, a pleasant morning to all of you. First and foremost, I would like to thank you all for coming here today to celebrate this memorable event, our moving up day. Preschool days were pretty much challenging, but at the same time exciting. I know that we will face more challenges in the near future. This is just the beginning. We will stand tall and soar high. My fellow graduates, I am proud to say happy moving up day, every one of us. I do wish that in the near future, by grace of our Almighty God, we are going to be a good example to the incoming preschoolers. May the Lord guide us to be a better children. I hope that we will continue to be good and kind to each and everyone and be a legacy to the next generations. Congratulations, not just to us, but also to our parents and teachers who guided us together with patience, understanding, love, and for providing us what we need every day to make us a better versions of ourselves. I hope that we will